Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start right away by ensuring you're on an administrator account and saving any open files. This prevents data loss. Open Task Manager with Control plus Shift plus ESC. Find Windows Explorer and choose End Task. This only stops the shell, not your apps. Once done, click File, Run New Task, type Explorer. EXE and press Enter to restart the taskbar. This quick kill and restart often clears temporary hangs because it reloads the shell and UI components. If restarting Explorer didn't work, re-register the taskbar components. Open PowerShell as admin and run the re-registration script for shell apps. This restores missing or corrupted app packages. Next, run sfc/scannow to repair system files and use dism restore health when sfc can't complete fixes. These commands rebuild integrity. Also inspect recent driver updates. GPU or touch drivers can freeze the UI. Roll back suspicious drivers or update them from the manufacturer to eliminate driver-level hangs. To finish, if the taskbar is stable after repairs, create a restore point so you can revert if something reoccurs. If issues persist, create a fresh user account to see whether your profile settings caused the freeze. A new profile that works indicates corrupt user data. Finally, boot into safe mode to uninstall recently added apps or updates that might conflict with the shell. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing helps, perform an in-place Windows repair to preserve files while restoring system components.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.